Keyboard getting a little dirty? Mine is. Yes, I eat in here sometimes and little crumbs and stuff falls down in the keys there. Kind of need to blow them out, knock them out, brush them out, whatever. But got sent something today that I think is going to take care of the problem. Good folks over at Zaremi, I believe I'm pronouncing that right, gifted me this jet dryer blower air duster. Kind of like canned air, only it's free. You got a one-time purchase. You don't have to keep buying the aerosol cans. Anyway, we're going to get it opened up and see what you get with it and see how good it blows. It's supposed to be like 33,000 RPM, but I don't know. Main thing is if it blows out my keyboard. There's your user manual, little spec sheet here, going over the different things on it. Has a little storage bag you keep it in. Comes with a lot of little brushes here. Attach this to the blower in this one. And a little brush. And another little attachment that goes on the blower. Another little brush here. And something else. Oh, another little brush. Comes with plenty of brushes. That's 3 brushes. I believe between those 3, that ought to cover whatever you need to dust out. Got to break that dust loose a little bit and then blow it out. Comes with a USB-A to USB-C charging cord and the blower itself. Nice size right there. Pretty cool looking. Maybe it's got enough charge to try it out here. There's your USB-C charging port right here. That's where you'll get it charged up at. There's a little dial back here. This is slide, what do they call it? A slide wind speed mode. And then it says over here, it's got the little LED lights. It says in the side window speed mode, lights blink 3 times. Up here it says slide wind speed mode. Long press 3 seconds to start. Let's press it 3 seconds and see if it starts. Got some lights blinking there. It blinked 3 times. Let's turn this. There we go. Wow. Yeah, that's got some power. Whew. Wow. That has definitely got some power to it. I bet I could go blow off the front porch with that nearly. That is cool, y'all. Like I said, it has the little attachments here. Just stick them on there. And then you could like clean out your air vents in the car. Or if it was real bad right here, you could brush out your keyboard here. Well, it goes in there good. Oh, you can take the brush off. That just kind of fell off. Yeah, so that will go on there, and then you can take the brush off itself. And just have that to spray with. See, for the keyboard here though, might just need that one right there. We'll try it out. Okay. On that button, you can push it once, and that goes to low. Push it twice, medium, and high. Wow. You see that? That's actually pushing it back a little bit. I don't know if you could notice that or not. So you could use the dial on the back, or you can just use the trigger here. That's pretty cool. Woo! I don't know if you can see that stuff coming out of there, y'all. I'm almost embarrassed to show you. That works good. Handy little tool to have. Not only for your keyboard, but like you can blow out your air conditioner vents in your car, blow the dust off of your desk, whatnot. Many uses for that right there. And it is very powerful, I can tell you that. I'm impressed. That is really nice. And it's not too big either. Those LED lights also tell you how much power you have in your battery. We're down to 2 bars now, or 2 little lights. So, like I said, hold the button down for 3 seconds. It engages the dial back here. Or you can just use the button up here and hold it down. There you go there. Just like that. Really nice little tool to have. If you'd like to get one of these for yourself, I'll put a link down in the description where you can check it out and possibly order yourself one. Or Christmas is coming. Might make a nice gift. Just an idea. Got any value at all out of this video? Go ahead and hit that thumbs up button and consider subscribing to the channel if you haven't done so yet. I would appreciate it. I am an Amazon associate, so any qualifying purchases that you may make through any of my Amazon links, I will receive a small commission from. Thanks for watching.